Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will showcase the capabilities of our Central Identity Manager. Soterion's Central Identity Manager can significantly enhance the efficiencies of SAP user provisioning, or commonly known as the joiner, mover, leaver process, resulting in cost savings for the organization. By streamlining the provisioning of SAP Access, an organization not only requires fewer resources to administer the process, but end users are more productive by having high availability of the access they need to perform their job function. Our solution achieves this objective by using a business role concept to provision SAP Access. A business role in Soterion is a data container for a group of SAP single and composite roles from various SAP systems, which can be linked to an organizational structure for ease of reference. With Soterion, you can quickly and easily identify what access is contained within a business role using powerful business process flow diagrams, as well as assess the associated access risks. Graphical reports highlight what access is being used by those users assigned to the business role, allowing for business role re-engineering to ensure appropriate access is continuously provided to SAP users. Soterion's business role concept enhances business role ownership by providing all the necessary information required by a role owner, such as what access is contained within the business role, what access risks are associated with the business role, which SAP users have been assigned the business role, what functions within the business role are the users performing, is the business role providing the users with any unnecessary or sensitive access. By leveraging Soterion's Central Identity Manager, you can improve your provisioning efficiencies and enhance business accountability with our business role concept. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.